Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Here is the overview of how you can download your music, your videos, or watch your funny clips at a cheap price. Just you need to have this app called Vidmate. This app contains all your needs that you want. I don't have data bundles by now, but I can just log in. This is how you go. You see, these are all videos that you can want to watch or download. This app means a lot to you. It has music. You can download your music, your movies, or even you can watch your funny clips.